Hi, my name is Cheryl Moss, and I just wanted to share my online lesson plan project and give a brief description of the lesson outline and the Web 2.0 tools used in this project. This project was designed for middle school students grades 6 through 8, and it's in a STEM class over a 2 weeks, 50 minutes class period. The project is a brain helmet design project which incorporates the different STEM discipline of science, technology, engineering, and math. For this project, students will be working in pairs on a challenge to design a helmet for a company. The goal of the team is to come up with the most effective design, and students will begin this assignment by first learning about the different lobes of the brain and their function. They will have 3 tasks to complete, the first of which is a web quest as they learn about the brain. They will then build a model of the brain by using the engineering design process EDP. For this process, they will use Linowit.com to brainstorm and collaborate. They will then choose the material from a given material list and design a football helmet that can protect players and withstand the maximum impact speed. The helmet they design must be able to stay on the skull, be lightweight and low profile, and must allow the user test dummy, which in this case will be using an egg, to see, and at the same time the helmet must also be removable. They will take pictures to create a flicker, and they will also, which they will use in their presentation, and they'll have a choice between using Microsoft PowerPoint, or they can use Sway, or they can also use a Google Slide to share their presentation. So a copy of this project was uploaded to the content library of Microsoft OneNote, and in the handout section I have this Weebly page, which is a STEM helmet project.weebly.com. So for this project, they will complete, as I mentioned before, they'll complete 3 tasks, and it's all outlined on my Weebly site. The first one of which is a web quest, then the challenge, which is to build a helmet, then last day, or the third task, they will work on their PowerPoint presentation. I also have the process on my Weebly page, and the STEM engineering design process, how I will evaluate their project, and I also have the teacher page, which shows differentiation and the standards, and then finally my blog page, which the students can blog about their projects. Now on Microsoft OneNote, I also set up a collaboration page. So for my collaboration space, the students can go on and we can have a class discussion, and they can basically enter whatever problems they're having. So it allows students to type, so they can type their questions in, and I, as a teacher, can respond, or other students can also respond. There is also we will be using Linowit.com, and on Linowit.com, students will be able to use web sticky notes. It's a web sticky note service where students can post their ideas as they brainstorm and collaborate during the STEM engineering design process. There is also the Flickr page, which students will be able to go on Flickr, and on Flickr they will be able to give a visual as they collaborate and as they take pictures as they're building their project in the design process. Students can finally, they'll have the presentation, and for their presentation they can choose between using Microsoft Sway, so Microsoft Sway, or they can use PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and they just need to incorporate a copy of their Flickr or a link to their Flickr activity.